Well, I have two new journals to share with you, and I guess I would call them more of the primitive slash nature kind of journal. I really gravitate toward, toward that look. And so both of these journals, they have a upholstery fabric in the back. The spine is a canvas, and then the front also has a piece of upholstery fabric in the background, and then on top of that is a watercolor. I think it's 140-pound watercolor paper, and then I've done some plaster work on it, some encaustic work on it. I've done some impressions. I hope it shows up in the video. I'm not too sure if you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe. And then here in the corner are some rusty bits that I've been playing with over the summer. And this is a pod to a vine that grows wild in my yard that I can't stand because it encroaches itself into everything. So I figure, well, I might as well use it. And then twigs from the yard, and then these little, I don't know if you can see them, these little seed pods, the seeds from that seed pod that's encased also in that encaustic material. I hope you can see all that. Then, here on the bottom, I have a little tag and it says pods. So that's the name of that particular journal, and then also this is also rusty. Now, the inside is pretty much what I would call kind of naked. I got some tabs here and there, but it's all filled with all of my eco prints. So that's pretty much what this journal is all about. So you see here in the front, this is, let me try and remember, I think this is my sweet gum tree leaves. I won't go into detail of all the leaves. They sort of speak for themselves. They're all so pretty. This is a postcard. So I have a combination of dark colored papers and lighter ones, but they all can be written on, or some of these that are very muted, you could glue, you can draw, but it's all ready for you to do your thing. I can't wait for my leaves to start turning colors in the next month or so I can start getting some new batches. I thought this looked like leaves and a branch and some flowers. Another tag. And here are some scraps from, I put papers on the bottom of my pans and they get kind of crispy and crunchy, so I thought maybe you could use those in some collage or something. Now I do sell all these papers separately. If you make your own journals, I do sell bundles of these papers. Here's the envelope. That's some more of that paper that's from the bottom. And the end. Hope you can see all the details. Okay, pods. Now, the other one is called rings because of the rings in that wood. This is made the same with the tapestry. I think this is tapestry, the other one is upholstery material, along with the canvas. And then this one also has the encaustic, and that's also been stamped and embossed. And there is some more of the rusty metal, and then the tag rings, that's also has been rusted. Okay. And this also is the same. It is filled with the different papers. This is a miniature little file folder. I just haven't folded it so you could see the print. Some of the bottom of the pot paper. Envelope. bottom of the pot. Oh, nice big chunk. Postcard. And that is it. Nice and chunky. Nice and chunky. All right. As always, I hope I've inspired you maybe to use something that's in your yard or your garden, or maybe to rust. And I hope you try something new with what you have available in your own yard. All right, so as always, they need a home, and I hope that home is with you.